Hi, my name is Akshaya. Welcome to Lot of Small Things. Today we are going to solve a puzzle. This is the puzzle. We have to find out the value of A, B, C, D and E. Pause the video, try yourself and come back. Equation number 1, equation number 2, equation number 3, equation number 4, equation number 5. First we take these two equations. We can write this equation as E equal to B divided by 4. Now we will replace this E with this value. A into 4 is equal to E. We can replace this E with this value, B divided by 4. A equal to B by 16. Now we will take these two equations. We will write this equation as E equal to B by 4. Now we will take this third equation, C plus 4 equal to E. E is here, so we will write this value, B by 4. C equal to B by 4. Here plus 4, this side plus 4, that side minus 4 equal to LCM equal to 4. B 4 into 4 16. C equal to B minus 16 by 4. For this equation, D equal to B plus 16 by 4. Now we will take this equation, A B by 16 plus B plus C B minus 16 by 4 plus D B plus 16 by 4 equal to 100. Now we will simplify this. LCM equal to 16. B plus 16B plus 4B minus 4 into 16 equal to 64 plus 4B plus 4 into 16, 64, plus 64 minus 64. This 2 will be cancelled. The remaining we have to write. Now we can take b as common. 1 plus 16 plus 4 plus 4 equal to 25b by 16. Now we simplified this, equal to 100. Now we can write this as 25 by 16 into b equal to 100. Now we will find out the value of b. b equal to 100 into, this fraction will go here as upside down, 16 by 25. b equal to 25 100 into 16 equal to 1600 by 25, that is equal to 64. Now we found out the value of b. To find out the value of a, we will apply the b's value here. A equal to b by 16, that is equal to 64 by 16 is equal to 4. We found out the value of 4. To find out the value of c, we will apply the b's value here. C equal to b minus 16 by 4, that is equal to 64 minus 16 by 4 equal to 64 minus 16 is equal to 48 by 4 equal to 12. Now we found out the c's value. To find out the value of d, we have to apply the b's value here. d equal to b plus 16 by 4, that is equal to 64 plus 16 by 4. 64 plus 16 equal to 80 by 4 is equal to 20. Now we found out the value of d. Now we found out all the values of a, b, c and d. Now we will apply all the 4 values in the 5th equation to check. A plus b plus c plus d is equal to 100. To find the value of e, we can take any equation and apply its value. We will take A into 4 is equal to E. A into 4 equal to E. So A is 4. 4 into 4 is equal to 16. So the value of E is equal to 16. Thank you for watching our video. Hope you enjoyed this puzzle. See you in next video.